How to fix Discord echo in Parsec. So first you want to make sure that you're not using desktop audio for voice and never talk through Parsec and Discord at the same time. You want to only use Discord for voice chat, and you will need to disable the microphone streaming from the Parsec settings. So you want to open up the settings and then go to the client tab and scroll down till you find microphone pass-through and make sure this is turned off. It is already on. And the next thing you'll need to do is make sure to set the correct input and output devices in Discord. So first you want to open up your Discord, click on user settings, and then scroll down to voice and video. And in here you want to make sure to select the specific microphone device and the specific output device such as your headset or speakers. Make sure you're also using your actual devices, not any virtual devices that might be installed or coming from Parsec. And also you want to turn off the echo cancellation from Discord if it is already enabled. So if it is set to voice isolation or studio, you want to switch it to custom here and make sure to scroll down and disable the echo cancellation from this checkbox. Next, you will need to disable listen to this device if it is already running on the host computer. Right click on the audio icon on the taskbar and then go to sounds. And from here, go to recording and go to your main microphone device. And then right click on it and open up the properties. Go to the listen tab and make sure to uncheck listen to this device if it is activated. And then press apply and OK. And that should solve the problem. And if for some reason you still have some echoing, what you can do is go back to Discord and then go to the user settings again. And from here, try to lower the mic sensitivity. Or if you have automatically adjust input sensitivity active, make sure to disable it from here. And now all you need to do is restart Parsec and try to reconnect again. And that should solve the problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.